Welcome to Mathenatic. We are busy revising content for paper 1, and in this video we will determine the nth term and the 16th term of the quadratic sequence of 2, 6, 12 and 20. So let's consider the pattern of 2, 6, 12 and 20. Can you see that the first difference is 4 because we say 6 minus 2 and that gives us 4. Next, we say 12 minus 6 and that equals to 6. And then 20 minus 12 and that is equal to 8. That gives us our line of first differences. Then, if we repeat that pattern, we can find the line of second differences. And we can see that the differences between terms are now equal to 2. So now we can try and find the nth term or the general term. We know that 2a will be equals to 2, 3a plus b is equal to 4, and a plus b plus c is equal to 2. And what we want to do is find values for a, b, and c. And we do that by solving the terms from the bottom up. So what I mean by that is we would set 2a equals to 2 and then solve for a first. Then we'll use that value of 1 in our equation of 3a plus b equal to 4. So I replace a with a 1. Therefore we have 3 times 1 plus b is equals to 4. And to solve for b, I move the 3 to the right hand side. That becomes minus 3. Therefore b is equal to 1. And then lastly, a plus b plus c is equal to 2. So the a value is equals to 1, the b value is equals to 2, then we have 1 plus 1, which is 2 plus c is equals to 2. And if we solve for c, we have c is equal to 0. So for the general term, we have Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So the a value would be equal to 1, the b value is also 1, and c is 0. So that leads us to a general term of n squared plus n. So in front of n squared, we have the a value of 1. And in front of the n, we have the b value of 1. And the c value is 0, and we do not need to write that. The next part of the question said, find the 16th term. That means we replace n with 16, and we can find the value of the 16th term by saying 16 squared plus 16, and that is equals to 272. Thank you for watching. Remember to show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to Mathenatic.